Namaskar, dear students of Standard 4. Today our subject is Stubble, page number 35, and the chapter title is General Knowledge on Sports. General Knowledge on Sports. In the A section, you see some 7 questions or answers. You can say that which game is played with a bat. We all know cricket is played with a bat. Badminton is played with a racket. Hockey is played with a stick. Polo is played on horses. Tennis is played with a tennis ball. Chess is an indoor game. Hide and seek is an outdoor game. So from this part you can be asked several questions type like what is played with a racket, or badminton is played with what? Then so we have to remember the both badminton and racket, hockey and stick, polo and horses. So if you are asked the game, you can answer, or if you are asked the which game is played on horses or polo is played on which animal, then we can be able to answer the both. Then tennis is played with a tennis ball. Chess is an indoor game. Like if you were asked that name an indoor game, then you have to answer the chess or chess. Hide and seek is an outdoor game. You can mention another names, games name like chess, hide and seek. For the outdoor game, you can use or you can say football, cricket, similar like that, which are played outdoors. Then the page number 35, B, section B. 1. The game of cricket is associated with pitch. So when we play cricket, there is a pitch on which we play cricket. The lawn tennis is associated with court. Badminton is associated with also court. Ice hockey is associated with ring. The place where horse race is held is called a race course. So you can be asked that the lawn tennis is associated with dash, court. Badminton is associated with dash, court. Ice hockey is associated with ring, or you can be asked that ring is associated with dash sport. Then you have to answer ice hockey. The place where horse race is called a race course. Then section C. What is the playground of football called? Where we play football, what is the ground name, or what is the playground name? The playground of football is called ground, only ground. What is a ring? Ring is the playground of boxing. So boxers usually play in the ring. What is the playground for wrestling called? Wrestling is slightly different or completely different from the boxing. So the playground for wrestling is called an arena. So in the arena, the wrestlers wrestle. So there are some basic knowledge on sports. Remember them, and that will be asked in your examination. Thank you. Namaskar.